In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Cursed King collar here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them that in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to do is make your way over to really any teleporter in the game. And once you're at the teleporter itself, interact with it and teleport over to Shibuya Station. Now, once you're at Shibuya Station, you need to go ahead and find the Cursed King area. The Cursed King boss itself spawns right here. Essentially, what you need to do is farm this guy in order to get that collar. As you can see, it's about a 14% drop chance right here. We'll see if we get it. I don't think we will right now, but it'd be nice if we did. No, we did not. But essentially, just make your way up on top of the building right next to him. You're going to see the Cursed King NPC. Interact with this guy right here. Complete a few of his quests because he does have a few quests. Like the first one's, dealing 35 million damage. The second quest requires you to defeat, I believe it's like 10 players in PvP. And the third quest requires you to defeat the Cursed King boss 15 times. But essentially, go ahead and do all of that. Come back to this guy, interact with them, and then you could spend those collars in order to go ahead and get yourself, along with some other stuff, the Cursed King style. But that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.